If you've ever tried grilling indoors and ended up with a smoky kitchen, unevenly cooked food, or just a disappointing, this isn't real barbecue feeling, you know how frustrating it can be. Especially if you live in an apartment or don't have access to an outdoor grill. Getting that perfect sear at home feels almost impossible. That's where the Ninja Foodi Smart XL indoor grill and air fryer steps in. This is designed for home cooks, busy families, and even beginners who want that grilled, crispy, restaurant-style food without stepping outside. It's not just a grill. It's a 6-in-1 appliance that promises to replace multiple kitchen gadgets while making everyday cooking simpler and more consistent. Right out of the box, it looks and feels like a serious piece of kitchen equipment. The black and silver finish gives it a premium, slightly industrial vibe, but still compact enough to sit comfortably on a countertop. The build quality feels solid, not plasticky, and the lid has a satisfying weight to it when you open and close it. Inside, the grill grate has a non-stick coating that feels durable, and the removable parts, like the crisper basket and cooking pot, are clearly designed for repeated use without wearing down quickly. What really stands out in the design is how thoughtfully everything is laid out. The control panel is simple enough that you don't need to constantly check the manual, and the included smart thermometer plugs right in without any hassle. It doesn't feel intimidating, which is important because appliances like this can easily become too complicated to use daily. Now, in real-world use, this is where the Ninja Foodi Smart XL really earns its place. The cyclonic grilling technology pushes hot air around the food at high temperatures, and you can actually see the difference. Steaks come out with proper sear marks, chicken cooks evenly without drying out, and vegetables get that slightly charred finish that usually only comes from outdoor grilling. It's not identical to charcoal grilling, but it's surprisingly close for an indoor appliance. The smart thermometer is one of those features that sounds like a gimmick until you use it. You just insert it into your meat, choose the type and doneness level, and the grill takes care of the rest. It removes a lot of guesswork, especially if you're not confident about cooking proteins. You don't have to keep opening the lid or cutting into your food to check if it's done, which actually improves the final result. Air frying is equally impressive. Fries come out crispy with noticeably less oil, and things like wings or frozen snacks cook quickly and evenly. It's fast enough for weekday meals, and the noise level is about what you'd expect from an air fryer. Not silent, but not disruptive either. Cleaning is also manageable. Since most parts are dishwasher safe, you're not stuck scrubbing for ages, though the splatter shield does need occasional attention to keep everything running smoothly. That said, it's not perfect. It does take up a fair amount of counter space, so if your kitchen is already tight, that's something to consider. While the smoke control system works well, it's not completely smokeless, especially if you're cooking fatty cuts of meat at high temperatures. And because it tries to do so many things, it may not fully replace specialized appliances for people who are very particular about baking or dehydrating. Compared to other indoor grills or air fryers in the same price range, this one stands out for its versatility and consistency. Many cheaper models either struggle with even cooking or don't get hot enough to properly sear. On the other hand, premium alternatives can cost significantly more without offering a huge jump in everyday performance. This sits in that sweet spot where you're getting strong results across multiple cooking styles without needing separate appliances. So who is this really for? If you want a reliable, all-in-one cooking solution that handles grilling, air frying, and more without a steep learning curve, this is a great fit. It's especially useful for people living in apartments or anyone who wants to cook healthier meals with less oil. But if you're short on space or only need a basic air fryer, you might not need something this feature-packed. If you're tired of juggling multiple appliances or missing out on that grill flavor at home, this is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or availability. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.